Hi students, myself Professor Jitendra Engde, Senior Lecturer from Praveen Patel College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Navgar Binder East. Subject English, common to all first year Diploma Engineering branches. Topic Application of Grammar, Preposition. Course Outcomes. After watching this video, student able to formulate grammatically correct sentences, student able to apply preposition to construct meaningful sentences, student can use relevant preposition for the situation mentioned. These are the learning outcomes or course outcomes student achieved after watching this video. Application of grammar. Preposition is a topic we will discuss in today's lecture or today's video. Students, preposition are used before the noun and pronoun to show place, time, position, method. They are used to make prepositional phrases and which are bound together with their objects. Means preposition is nothing but it is gives relationship between two objects. If there are two objects, the exact relationship between two objects we will find by using correct preposition at its right place. That's why preposition is used before the noun or pronoun to show its right place, time, position and method. Means what are the right place, time, method, position exactly we get by using correct preposition. And they are also used to make a prepositional phrases also. Okay, mean it is also preposition is also used for using prepositional phrases also. So as per the uses of preposition, there are different types of preposition. So what are the different types of preposition we will see. Types of preposition. Simple or single word preposition. Number second, compound preposition. Number third, phrase preposition. Number four, participle preposition. So as per the uses of preposition, there are four different types of preposition or preposition is divided in different four types. Also as per the position, preposition is also divided in different types. Mean as a different position prepositions are used. So number one, simple or single word preposition. Which are the simple prepositions? On, eat, at, by, for, into, etc. These are the prepositions are used for single preposition or single word preposition. Number second, compound preposition. In it, beside, beyond, inside, outside, within. Okay, means these are the compound preposition. Okay, which is already compounded by two objects. Number third, phrase preposition. Means okay, means in the other word, it is a phrases or phrases types. Okay, in front of, in spite of, in order to, for the sake of, with regret of, also in the course of. Such are the phrases preposition are used. Next, number four, participle preposition. It is concerning, considering, okay, outstanding, regarding, pending, etc. Such words are present participle. They are or they have to come to use as a preposition considering the further instructions. Okay, means such are the prepositions are using as a phrasal, sorry, as a participle preposition in the sentence. Also prepositions are indicating its place or position, time, method or manner, reason or purpose, directions, etc. Means as per these indications, we are using preposition at its right place. So first of all, we will see the place. Okay, as per the place or position, what are the different types of prepositions are used in the sentence? We will see. above, across, along, at, away from, behind, below, beside, between, in, on, against, by, from, into, near, up, inside, outside, beyond, over, through, under, within. These are some prepositions which indicating the place or prepositions. Means when the place is given, we are using such types of prepositions which is indicating the positions of noun or place of that noun or object. For example, the aeroplane flew above the building. In this example, aeroplane and building, there are two objects are used, but the position of the aeroplane indicating the preposition above means the aeroplane fly above the building. Where to fly? Above the building. Not on the building, not in the building, not behind the building, but above the building. Across. The bridge is across the river. Same bridge and river, there is two objects is used. There are two objects is used in the example, but we get the exact position of the bridge by the preposition across. The horse was walking along the beach. Horse and the beach, there are two objects are used in this example. The exact positions of horse are using by the preposition along. Divide the fruit among the group of, means among, means when there are more than more people or more than two people is there, that time we use among. If we compare between two people, so we are using between. So among. Divide the fruits among the group of, among the group. At. The lecture begins at 8 am. When the exact time, exact place, okay, we use at. Okay, for timing, at is also used. For place, at is also used. Okay, meet me at railway station. At railway station. In this example, it is used indicating as a place, but the lecture begins at 8 am. It indicates time. Okay, so these are the prepositions. Also, away from. It is not easy to stay away from home. Okay. Next, behind. There is a river behind my house. Below. Millions of people still live below the poverty line. Beside. The language is beside. The language lab is beside the principal cabin. Beside means nearby or side. Between. I already told you, if comparison between two people, we use between. Shanu always read in between the line. Between the line. In means two lines. In. Neetu always keep her book in the cupboard. Means in the cupboard. On. The snacks are kept on the table. Okay. Before the name of week, day, time, we are using on. Against. During races, student lean against the wall. Okay, in opposite. By. He was standing by the car. Means near the car or by the car. From. The water was dripping from the trees. Okay, there are two objects, water and trees. So from where we get the water? From where the water is dripping? From is the exact preposition is used which gives the relationship between tree and water. So the water was dripping from the tree. Into. The donkey fell into the well. The donkey and well. So where donkeys fell? Into the well. Near. The temple is near the school. Of course. Off. Our society is located off GM Road. Okay, off. Inside. The mother kept her jewelry inside the locker. Mother kept her jewelry inside the locker. So time, just like place or position, some prepositions are indicating or gives relationship with time. Which are they? After, before, at, by, for, during, from, in, on, since, through, throughout, till, until, within, etc. These are some prepositions which are used to indicating time. Okay, means for the relationship related to time indicating by these prepositions. So we will discuss by example. After, Ananya told Sai to call her after 9 p.m. Mean the relationship between timing 9:30 p.m. and call indicating by the preposition after. When to call? After 9:30. Okay, so after is a word which is indicating the relationship between call and timing. Before, Nitya and Rugvedi made before the submitting their final project. Okay, before means here the meeting and submission of final project is indicating by the word, by the preposition before. Next, at. We already discussed at indicating place and time also. At the concert will start at 8:30 p.m. Okay, means here the timing of 8:30 indicating by the preposition at. By, we will reach Mysore by 7 a.m. Mean till 7 o'clock we will be there. Mean timing indicating by Mysore. He goes to school by bus. Okay, complete his project by Monday. Okay, or by next week. He will reach Mysore by 7 a.m. Means timing and position and place also indicating by preposition. For, Mitali is working here for 10 years. When period of time is mentioned, we use for. So 10-year period. Okay, 10-year duration is mentioned here. That's why we use for. If point of timing is used, we use since. Okay. So next, during. Aditya was sleeping during the lecture. Means the continuous. Means the activity of sleeping is indicating by the preposition during. Okay, while lecture was going on. From, the meeting was scheduled from 10 a.m. to 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. So from, in, they could complete the assignment in time. Means in duration or the time given in that specific period, assignment is completed by them. Means assignment is completed in time. On, the employee made for the project on Monday. So I already told you before the name of day, week, year, date, etc. we use on Monday, on Sunday, on next week, on next year. Okay, etc. we use on preposition. Since, also since is indicating for point of time. That's at that time we are using since. Ronit has been crying since morning as he lost his cat. From, means since morning to till this moment he is continuously crying. When point is time is mentioned, that time we use since. Through, the cold weather continue through the spring. Okay, means the cold weather and spring. Okay, the relationship between two objects is given by the preposition through. Till, the medical shop is open till 12 PM midnight. Okay, mean what is the time of what is the last time of medical shop opening? It is till 12 midnight. But till is the preposition used by indicating the timing of medical shop, and okay, means the medical shop is open till 12 midnight. Last until, the coupon is valid until September. Means until, means the validity of coupon is mentioned by the preposition until. So students, these are the prepositions related place, that is place and position and time. So we know that preposition is a word which is gives relationship between two objects, which is used before the noun or pronoun. It is also indicating the prepositional phrases also. Okay, so if you know the proper uses of preposition, you can properly use the preposition at its right place. Thank you.